What's up guys, I'm Will from Iron Butterfly Gaming, and today we are unboxing the K95 RGB Platinum keyboard. Now straight off the bat, the first thing that I realized is that the box is actually pretty heavy, which is kind of odd for keyboards because usually they're pretty light. And so that's just something that caught my attention while holding this thing. Now it's time for the best part, unboxing this. Other than the keyboard, it's time to figure out what's in this box. Okay. Whew, I'm excited. Okay, the first thing that you can see when you unbox it is this thing that pops out that I'm assuming is the handrest that attaches to the keyboard. Let's find out. Oh yeah, it's a handrest that is attached to the keyboard. Put that over here for a second. Now the next thing in here is a yellow box, which probably holds the cords, I'm assuming. Let's see, we got a few instructions. Oh, it actually comes with rubber keys that you can replace other keys with on the keyboard. And of course you have the W, A, S, and D keys, which are by far the most important. I'm not sure what this circle thing is, but I guess we'll find out. Okay. Next thing in the box is the keyboard. Try and be careful with this. Already you can tell this is a very heavy keyboard, which is awesome because it is of course made out of metal. So that is a very nice keyboard. Let's see if I can get this unwrapped. Okay, this is the cord. Let's take this out of the box. Alright. See if there's anything else in the box. Nope, we're good. And we have the keyboard right here. Let's plug this baby in. Now when you plug it in, it immediately lights up. And, oh, it looks so good. Let's see, let's get this cord out of the way. You can control the type of color system it does, what type of patterns it does, through this button. Change the brightness. You can lock it so that you don't accidentally change it. The media keys, which I'm pretty excited for, which you can change the volume by scrolling this up and down, or mute yourself right here. And you can control, like, your Spotify songs by pressing on these buttons. You can skip the song or stop it, and every key lights up, which is you don't find in a lot of keyboards, and something I'm super excited for. And as you can see, it looks awesome. Now one of the best parts about this keyboard is that everything is completely magnetic. Like, you can take off every key and just stick it right back in there. You can take off the handrest on and off. And the cool thing about the handrest is that you can switch. One side is kind of a harder side, and the other is softer, whatever you might like better. And all you have to do is just kind of place it on there, and everything magnetically connects, and it's super awesome. Now, budget-wise, this keyboard is actually pretty expensive for a keyboard. It gets on sale every now and then for around $130. That's what I bought it for. But if you're looking for a high-end keyboard that will last you a long time, then I suggest this keyboard. Now to wrap this up, I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe to my channel, Iron Butterfly Gaming, and I'll see you guys later. See ya.